Greetings all. Welcome to episode number 64 of Monday Morning Motivation, and topic for today is attitude of gratitude. Generally, the human mind is full of anxiety. We always think about the gap where we have reached in the life and where we want to go and achieve. There is a gap and our mind always thinks about gap, and we feel that we are not good enough, we are not working enough. We are constantly in the flow of anxiety. But when I observe successful people, they all have this attitude of gratitude. Being thankful for what you already got is one of the character we have to cultivate ourselves. Some of the statistics are very interesting. So the bottom 50% of the Indians earn an average income of 71,000 rupees per annum. That's approximately 6,500 rupees per month. If you earn more than 30,000 rupees in a month, you are already in the top 10% of earners in the country. So imagine how much you earn and how much gratitude we have to give to the nation and to ourselves. Okay, let's come to the point. How to practice this attitude of gratitude and make it a habit. So I have 3 pointers to you. Point number 1, as per many experts, it's better to write down gratitude every morning. Say, for example, at least write a thank you sentence for 5 things in our life every day morning, just as a ritual. Just thank 5 people or thank God for the 5 things you got in your life. Point number 1. Point number 2, if you are in business or in your office, at least can you mark a calendar for 1 hour in a month to write a thank you email to our customers and partners. That is point number 2. And the point number 3 is, in our everyday life, let us start saying thank you for all the small things people do for us. If somebody opens a car door for you, say thank you to him or her. So that this attitude of gratitude becomes our habit. Okay. So my mentor always say, Subbu, when you thank somebody else, actually it's you who are growing, who is growing internally. So let's follow this attitude of gratitude and achieve more things in our life. Thank you and have a great week ahead.